to Saint Carlo Acutis from the Bishop of Assisi. O God, our Father, thank you for giving us Carlo, an example for youth of a life well lived with a message of love for all. You filled his heart with love for your Son, Jesus, making the Eucharist his highway to heaven. You gave him Mary as a loving mother, and through the Rosary, you made him a poet of her tenderness. Receive his prayer for us. Above all, gaze upon the poor whom he loved and served. Through his intercession, grant me the grace I need. We rejoice that Carlo is now counted among the saints of your church, a beacon of light for our times. May his smile may reflect for us the glory of your name. Amen.